I foresaw your arrival. Your path of the vanquisher will reopen.
Long ago, this lake was clear and tranquil. But then, the arachnids showed up and ruined everything. Under the angel's guidance, I hope you can become strong enough to destroy the demons and help us regain the peace we once had.
Frey's demon hunting team has already departed. Follow the holy light, and you will find them.
Deal heavy damage to enemies, making battle much easier for you. I'm sure I heard Lowski's voice. It's unmistakable.
Hurry, come help me. My sword isn't enough. Arslan's waiting for me to go to his rescue.
The battle is intensifying. Can you collect some demon weapons for me? I need to study them. Anna was just with us, but she discovered a demon lair and went in by herself.
I'm investigating the lichens nearby. Thanks for coming. I won't feel scared now that you're here. There are lots of demons near the lair. We need to tell the angels. It looks like there's a secret there.
You are still too weak. Find the chest of heroes. It contains power that can make you stronger.
Chests contain boundless treasures. It is said that only true heroes can find them.
The rewards hall is available now. All sorts of goodies are waiting for you inside.
Go and see Anna. She's in the demon lair. I will grant you the power of the angels. You can use it when you run into trouble.
Main guests are available now. Tap to enter the instance and start the challenge. transform into an angel. Spectacular angel skills can destroy an opponent. We startled the Demon Lord when we entered the lair. The angels have sensed that Death Lord Gotha and his demon army have arrived.
Dear Lord Gotha has dispatched a large demon vanguard force. We must intercept them in the Valley of the Giants. More demon soldiers are heading this way. We need you.
We've made some progress. Losky will update you.
Anna needs some holy springs. Get some and take them to her.
Gather some dark scrolls from the demon sentinels for me. They should say how to enter the Reaper's territory. The scrolls were written in an ancient script. I don't understand what they say. Maybe the angels know how to read it.
You can use the scrolls to summon a guide tablet. It says how to enter the Reaper's territory.
We sense a terrifying dark power in the heart of the Reaper's territory. It's making the ghosts attack us.
Cat Eyes can see evil energy. Collect enough of them, and we'll be able to locate Death Lord Gotha. Death Lord Gotha is about to awake. We've found his location.
I'm going to enjoy sinking my teeth into.
transform into an angel. Spectacular angel skills can destroy an opponent. Cool equipment doesn't just look good, it also greatly increases your attributes.
The entrance to the Sighing Shrine is open. Find Anna. She will take you in. The price for challenging me is death.
Transform into an angel. Spectacular angel skills can kill any boss in no time. The demons have invaded Hidden Moon Forest. Sprite Emissary Seraphina needs your help. Open the path of the Vanquisher and unlock angel power. There are lots more angels waiting to be summoned by you.
Light illuminates the world, allowing me to see you.
I've been waiting for you. Priestess Mooney predicted you'd come. I'll take you into Hidden Moon Forest.
Tap the quest to embark on a great expedition.
Lots of demons have appeared in Hidden Moon Forest. Audrey is investigating. She's one of our best.
There is no time to lose. You need a mount if you are going to get to Einreal in time.
Mounts are available now. From now on, you can go wherever you want.
I just met a very strange-looking person. He can't have been a demon.
A demon? You blind or something? I'm clearly a panda. Whatever. Goblins stole my buns. I'm too hungry to stand here arguing with you. goblins stole my bag. They didn't leave a single bun. Just wait until I've eaten. Then I'll give them a taste of my kung fu. I found where the goblins stashed their loot. It must be packed with stuff. Maybe you'll find something to upgrade your angel.
Instances are available now. Play them to get all sorts of rare materials.
Another fool with a death wish.
I've come from the Far East in search of the nature crystal. I hear Priestess Mooney has it.
The nature crystal has been stolen. Audrey is searching for it as we speak. Could the prophesied disaster really be imminent?
I just met a young lady named L'Oreal. She claimed to be a seer and told me the whereabouts of the nature crystal.
The truth is simple. Those thieving, good-for-nothing goblins stole the nature crystal. They used to be sprites, but demonic energy changed them into goblins a long time ago. Corrupted dwarves kidnapped Einriel. You're going to save them. Be careful of the bombs they bury in the ground.
A large number of goblins have been corrupted. We must find out what's behind it. More human warriors have come to our aid. One of them, a woman named Anna, mentioned you.
The Demon Lord of Destruction has dispatched the Nightmare Minion. Lowski has located it.
The Nightmare Minion has brought the flames of vengeance back to the Hidden Moon Forest. We must put a stop to it.
The weak will die.
Cool equipment doesn't just look good, it also greatly increases your attributes.
I'll teach you how to enhance equipment. It'll make you even stronger.
equipment not only increases its attributes, but also gives it a cool glow effect.
The Master of the 5 Streams will help you deal with the demons. Collect some fairy brew to thank him. He loves a drink.
The love of my life isn't wine. It's Inreal. But that's just between you and me.
The Master of 5 Streams may be ugly and coarse, but there's something reassuring about him. He taught me how to use gunpowder. Anna needs you. If you get into trouble, you can use gunpowder to make a firecracker and signal for help.
The demonic energy here is strong. So many demons have gathered here. They must be looking for something important. Maybe the shrine is here. The demons are about to launch a major offensive. We need the Master of 5 Streams to help protect the forest.
Leave it to me. I'll school them in the art of Kung Fu.
Food and drink go in one end,
Light
out the other,
illuminates
but
the
bamboo
world,
always
allowing
stays
me
with
to see you.
I'll take on all comers.
Pretty good, aren't I? Come online tomorrow, and I'll join you. We'll be unstoppable.
7-day gift is available now. Log in for 7 consecutive days to claim them. You can even claim the limited edition Master of 5 Streams Bright on day 2.
No need to worry. My sword and I are here now. I heard your firecracker and came as quickly as I could.
Light illuminates the world.
Destruction has broken the fallen Sprite Queen out of the Sprite prison. Enreal is trying to track them down.
The The fallen spirit queen has summoned corrupted stags. Their demon fruits can corrupt the entire forest. The fallen queen is nearby. We need to cover our tracks and find her. The fallen queen has opened the Moonlight Shrine. We must stop her from entering it.
The abyss gives rise to darkness.
Cool equipment doesn't just look good, it also greatly increases your attributes.
The Demon Lord of Destruction has entered the Moonlight Shrine. The shrine's power will let him refine his minion. We must stop him.